guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for checking everything out. Another little update. So if you haven't seen the last video, I'll show you guys real quick to catch you up on what's been going on. Hey guys, just thought I'd do a little update on the bad news. As you can see around me, we got a little bit of snow going on here. Sad day in North Dakota for anyone that rides a motorcycle. Yeah, so basically this is what my bike's gonna look like for the next couple months, all wrapped up. Having to wait until the summer comes back. Not looking forward to all this. I miss my bike already. Now that was around October 20th. Today I believe it's November 6th, and somehow all the snow is gone and we have a 70-degree day, so you know what that means. I'm gonna scoot on in here. Oh, by the way, we got my dad's Suzuki Intruder 1400 in here today, but this is my favorite part right here. You think winter's gonna hit, you're not gonna get to ride your bike anymore, and then you get blessed with a beautiful day like this. You take all that away and go for a ride. Real quick while I have you guys here, being it is gonna be wintertime rolling around here out in North Dakota. We do get really cold weather, definitely below freezing. Last year we even had, you know, like -30s with like -50 mile-an-hour wind chill. So it does get fairly cold. So one thing that you always have to do, or that you should do anyway, is winterize your bike. There's a few different ways you can go about it. One, make sure your tank is filled. That's always good. It'd be a good time to check everything on your bike, see kind of what you need. If you need to get anything done before winter hits or after, make a little list. You can check. I always usually change my oil and air filter. I already did that previously, so I won't have to do that right now. Another thing, fuel stabilizer, or some people call it like seafoam. Put that in your tank, run it through your bike a little bit, make sure it's in there, and that'll help protect your bike. A cover, if you have a cover, that'll help. It'll help keep the moisture out and everything throughout the cold season when it gets all wet and everything. Another thing you can do is to prevent any type of like mice or any type of small animals that might try to find a place to get warm and chew stuff up. You can go in and put stuff in your pipes, cover any areas that you think could be exposed, that might be dangerous or that could get messed with, just to be on the safe side, because last thing you want to do is it to be a nice day, hop out, and all of a sudden nothing's going quite right, and you look and all your stuff is chewed up. So that's another good thing to remember to do. Also, another good tip too is to take your battery out and make sure that stays at room temperature to help get the best most life that you can out of that battery and everything. I mean, if you don't have like me, obviously you can see I don't have a heated garage, so you just kind of gotta do what you can, do the best with what you got. So there's a few tips there, hopefully it helps you out, maybe if you're a new rider, or if you just are looking for some other tips. That's kind of what I do anyway. Hopefully you guys don't get hit with the winter like I usually do. Hopefully you guys are in areas where you guys can get out and ride a little bit more. But yeah, any opportunity I get to get out there, I will. I'm still going to be releasing content on here. It will be motorcycle related too, so don't worry. I'm going to do a little bit of different stuff here and there throughout the winter, but I'm still going to be releasing content. So make sure that you guys are following. Make sure you subscribe.
Okay.
Do it. Do it. I love all the support and all the views that I get from you guys. So I would like to take you guys with and make sure that you guys continue to see all the content as it comes out. So again, hope you guys all have, you know, a good rest of your year and everything like that, and I hope I can get out a couple more times. I'm going to take it out right now. Alright, so I'm going to do a cold start for my Sabre right now. Now, being it was out and snowing a couple weeks ago, we've had a couple like below freezing days and everything. So it's been sitting for a good couple weeks now in the cold, but we're going to see how she starts up.
Trying to sleep.
Want to ride, you know, ride, Sally, ride.
All right, guys, about to take off. Here we go.
It's alive! It's alive!
Alright guys, here we are, getting to the end of the day. Starting to get a little bit colder out, sun's going down, so probably gonna be heading back here. But you know, took a ride out here out to the country. You can kind of see there's not a whole lot out here, just nice open spaces. A lot of people might not know, but I grew up on a farm. There's my old place where I used to live back in the day. Mom still lives out there, but yeah, we're gonna actually right out there. You probably can't see it, but there used to be there's a gravel road out there. I used to ride the old Honda 250 out there, and me and my brothers used to rip around a lot out here on the dirt bikes and everything. So kind of cool to get out here. It's nice and peaceful, and you know, get some riding in and everything. So decided we'd come out here, and you know, good way to end riding season, you know. So yeah, hopefully we get a couple more nice days like this. It'd definitely be nice, you know. So, but yeah, stay tuned to the channel, and thanks for watching.